Hey everybody, it is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC for sale. This vehicle comes in a black exterior, and we have a black interior. Sunroof. To have heated seats for both driver and passenger, and memory seats here on the driver's side. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Rear seats. Quick peek here at the front of the vehicle. Coming around to the back, we have our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. Just fold down those rear seats if you need extra storage, and push button to close. Just go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Currently have 9,239 for mileage. Do have a push button ignition. And here we have our touchscreen display system, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that is climate controls, as well as some of those buttons I was just using to access functions on the display. We've got cup holder. We've got our command module here for also making adjustments on the display, and our shifter. If you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.